Canada's #1 radio station, Classic Rock, KQ 105.5.
P584 Virginia.
584.
I just had a train strike a truck out here at 7 and 101. Send them medical.
Be there a bit.
It's P584 Virginia.
584.
Tell them they're going to want to come in from the west of 7. The truck is going to be on the west side of the tracks.
Over. 540. You want Morgan first responder?
Negative, let the Coney know. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna stop. I didn't think you were gonna go all the way through.
I just watching that other car go in front of me, and I wasn't even.
Okay.
You know,
all right.
The other car stopped there and turned. I was just watching the other car.
Yep, gotcha. All right.
Can he back out of there?
Yeah, let me check on him. Sir?
Yeah.
He's okay.
You okay?
Yep.
All right. I was checking.
Did you let your railroad know?
Yeah, we told him.
All right. I just got done inspecting him. He said, yeah, he was watching the other car go.
Yeah.
So, it is.
Yeah,
right? He's fine. Yep, so.
Yeah, they know about it.
My goodness. I thought he was going to stop. I just got done inspecting.
I thought he was going to take a right like that guy.
Yep, so. That's what it looked like, and I mean, we weren't all going all that fast, and I blew way early. Absolutely, it's all. I got it all on camera. So. Okay, good. All right.
All right.
Right now, there is no injuries. You want me to get you the ambulance just to make sure?
No, I'm fine.
You had a little gash in your eye.
Some thing probably hit my eye.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Let's have medical just come out here and check you out.
Please don't. I'm fine.
Virginia 584, I didn't use anything on that last transmission.
I'm gonna have them come here just to check on you. Do just please, okay? If you don't want medical attention, that's fine. You can sign off on it. But I don't want to know. I saw the whole thing, so I'm scared for you.
I can't believe it. Can you believe this?
No.
I'm so used to that Southern Crossing with the arms.
Yep.
And
I know what you're talking about.
That car pulled up there and went. I was just. stopped at the thing. It was gonna, you know.
Yep, gotcha. All right, let me.
You know, and I looked down the tracks. I looked to the right. There's no turn.
Yep, I know. All right, let me be up with you.
Back out of there, will you?
What's that?
Can you tell him to back out?
I can. Let me try it. Speed 74. Keep medical rolling just in case. The driver's denying any need for medical at this point. Locomotive crew is also no injuries there either.
944.